starts with marking the point that you want to acupuncture. In this particular case, it is liver 3. Then you take out the needle. In this particular case, it is 1-inch needle, and you put it there.
Don't forget cat rats.
Put it on the, and then wiggle a little the top, then it goes in. Then you can, twist back and forth a little more if you want to go.
I don't.
Okay. Then the other one.
Which meridian is this?
What
number is it? Liver what?
Liver 3.
But I can't write it.
Can you do the other one?
3.
You see, this is ½ inch is inside. So let's do another one. You open the needle and then place it there with the guide and wiggle a little. Then just place it in. Then you can back and forth. It is in. You can go further in if you want.
No.
The idea is to keep it neutral, meaning you just twist clockwise and anti-clockwise, and that way you go in. And this particular one is so great, you can see results within minutes.
Some more needle?
Yeah, this is good for this being a liver point. It's good for pain relief or any elimination of any external pathogen.
Now, are we doing one more?
I'll show you some more.
Which meridian is it?
This one would be lung.
What?
Large intestine 4.
4.
Okay, let me mark it.
It's listening to you. What meridian? The phone.
Large intestine 4. This is the location, and this is also very good for pain relief. LI 4. So you do the same, wiggle a little, then snap it in, then clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yeah, bravo. You see, it's gone all the way in. The other one.
There's one needle.